Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paul Sampo. In today's video, I'm going to give you the top 4 winning products that you can start selling right now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general. If you want to learn more about this, stay with me in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video.
The number one product that you can sell is called fruits cutter or vegetables cutter. This product you can sell on your store and get a lot of sales. As I'll show you very soon that this product has got so many sales in the past few days. So also if you want to sell on your store, you can use also this product and sell on your store. Let me show different pictures about this product. As you can see here, this is how you can cut vegetables, fruits, and other related stuffs. So this is why this is important for your Shopify store or Shopify dropshipping store. This product solves people's problems because it simplifies work. The product that simplifies people's work is a winning product because we want to simplify our activities, especially if you sell this to women are going to be interested with this product because it simplifies their work, their kitchen work. So this photo shows how you can cut your fruits and vegetables. Photos about this product, as you can see here. So you can use to cut different fruits, as you can see here. These are just some of the photos that shows how you can use when you use this tool. This tool is very important to women. It simplifies their work, as you can see here. So if you sell and target your ads targeting women, you are going to sell so many products and you are going to get so many sales if you advertise well. So the best way is to target women. Your ad should target women. And as you can see here, these are more photos concerning this product. This is a winning product. So if you've been looking for a winning product, this is a winning product. So let us check the price. The price is 11.2 US dollars for a moment. And the number of orders that the product has got within past few months is more than 2,000. So this shows that majority are in need of this product. What you need is just advertising skill. And as I told you that you should target women. Products or tools that are related to kitchen, I found that selling well when you target women because the women are the majority are women who are interested with the kitchen tools. So this is also a winning product. Product is called Nanos Rosa or Rust Remover. This tool is used to clean kitchen tools. So this product also simplifies women's work. As I told you that the products that simplifies work or solves people's problems, those are winning products. So women tend to fight to clean tools, as you can see here. But this one, you can clean it within a very short period of time by using this product. So if you use this product, if you sell this product, you're going to get so many sales. Why? Because this product simplifies people's work. As you can see here, more photos from this product, as you can see here. So you can clean different utensils, as you can see here. So most of the customers are interested with this product, and this can be verified by using the number of orders that this product has got in the past few months. As I'm going to show you very soon how this product has generated income to this seller. And the price of this product is very cheap, as you can see here. It costs only 1.2 US dollars. So the number of sales that has got more than 9,000 orders within the past few months. So this is a winning product. So this tells us that also if you sell this product on your store, you are going to get so many sales because the seller has already got a lot of sales and a lot of money. So this also is a winning product. You can see here, and offers free shipping, and the seller ships all over the world. So regardless where you are, still can order this product and dropship worldwide, as you can see here. So if you've been looking for a winning product, this also is a winning product. Product that you can sell on your Shopify dropshipping store or e-commerce website is this product. It's called Multifunction Pyrrha. This tool is used in pairing fruits, vegetables, and other related foodstuffs. This also is a winning product. If you have been looking for a winning product, this also is a winning product. We can verify this by identifying the number of orders that this product has got in the past few months. As I'm going to show you very soon the number of orders that this product has. So this also is the best product that you can sell on your store. As you can see here, the product costs only 1.2 US. So it is very cheap, it is affordable. So even customers won't hesitate to buy this product. And another good thing about this product is that it simplifies kitchen work. So it is important if you learn Facebook ads to target women, or also if you use Instagram influencers, you can target the pages that sells kitchen tools or advertises kitchen tools. So if you learn the Facebook ad to get good number of sales, you have to target women. And this product has shown that the customers are interested on this product. As you can see, so many customers have ordered this product in the first few months. As you can see here, more than 5,000 orders within past few months. So this shows that there is a need of this product. There are people who need this product because it simplifies their work. It simplifies kitchen work. As you can see also, the rating is very good. It's 4.8 out of 5. So what does it mean? It means that the customers that have bought this product are really satisfied with the product. 4.8 is the number that you can tell that the customers are satisfied with this product. So this product simplifies women's work. So this also is a winning product. If you have been looking for a winning product, sell this product on your store and enjoy the massive sales that will usually generate in very few days. What you need is just marketing skills. You can sell this one. It's called garlic chopper, as you can see here. This also is a product that simplifies women's work. So you are going to get so many sales if you target women as buyers. So if you learn in Facebook ads, use women, target women, and we can guarantee to get a lot of sales because this simplifies kitchen work. The products that simplifies work are winning products, and the price of this product is very cheap, as you can see here. It's only $3 and the rating is 5 over 5. So the rating is very good. It means that most of the most of the customers that have bought this product are satisfied with this product, with the quality and everything. That's why the rating is very high. So the buyers have rated 5/5. So this product solves people's problems, and you don't have to worry about quality, because there are other buyers who have already confirmed that this product delivers what it promises. So this is also a winning product. So if you have been looking for a winning product, this also is the product that you can start selling on your Shopify dropshipping store or your e-commerce website in general.